Yeah. What about you?
As you know, my name is Chandraja.
Yes, how are you?
I'm fine. And what about you?
I'm good too. Thank you for asking. What are you doing?
Now I'm talking to you, and I'm sitting before 1 hour ago. I'm right now busy with my friend.
Okay. So where do you live?
I'm from Jharkhand, and where are you from?
Tell me something about yourself. You,
Yeah, as you know, my name is Chandraja. I am from Jharkhand, and I have done my graduation, and I am pursuing M.Com for second years. My hobbies are playing cricket, watch videos on YouTube channel like Filipingo and BBC News, and I want to become a CA in my life. And after
great,
pandemic, I will go. After pandemic, I will go to outside job. Outside job. That's it.
great,
And
great.
what about you?
Yeah, so my name is Aradhna. I'm a BMS student and I'm an English learner. I love to learn new languages, especially
Yeah.
English. So
Yes.
if I'm talking about my hobbies, I like to gardening. I like to read spiritual books, and I like to watch cartoon, especially in English. So I
No.
every day watch cartoon or some movies in English for improving my communication skill. And
Yeah.
I live in Mumbai. I'm from UP, but I live in Mumbai.
Where are you from? Mumbai.
In Diva. I live in Diva.
Diva.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And
Yes.
why do you learn English?
Because now I'm a student and English is an international language. If I want to convey my message to other people, so I have to learn English. So that's why I'm learning. And I like to
Okay.
speak English.
Did you join any classes?
So I didn't join any class because if you want to join class, there you have to pay first. And I
Yes.
didn't join any class. I till 10th standard I studied in Hindi medium. But
Okay.
when I went to college, so I faced a lot of problem. I started facing problems. So at that time, I decided that I have to learn this language. Then I started talking to myself. I started hard working. Teacher was also so motivator. So always used to motivate me that better you can do. You have to
Oh,
watch every day movies and cartoons in English. So I started following that. So there was lots of teacher who motivate me always, who always support me. So
there
that's why if you want to go
not
ahead,
not not there was there were.
you have to self study. So that was all what I did and what I'm doing now.
Okay,
So
very
you tell
nice.
me
You
that
are you
why
are
did
improving
you
you are improving your English day to day. I hope you will learn fluent English.
thank you so much.
And I am using I have been using Filipingo for 1 month, and then before 1 month ago I have I have been using Filipingo, and I that's why I will learn some new things in English spoken skill day to day. Then I have created my video channel, and that's why I will talk to any people like you, and I uploaded video on YouTube on my channel.
Great, great. So in this way, we can improve our English, and those people who want to practice, so they can connect with you and
Yeah,
everyone. I
yeah,
started for those students who are not able to pay money for others. So in this way, they can practice. In
yes.
this way,
It is best
knowledge.
way. It is best way online platform. You will learn. We will learn English.
Yeah.
Mm,
Tell me something about Bihar because I don't know more about
no,
Bihar.
I'm not a Bihar. I'm from Jharkhand.
Okay,
Mm,
okay, sorry, sorry. You're from
yeah,
Jharkhand. Tell me
yeah.
something about
It has a industrial city. It is industrial city. It has a very um, it has largest production of steel in Bokaro Steel City. Students are come in Bucharest city and they will learn the 11 and 12 classes. Every state students come here and complete 11 and 12. Then they will go to outside state, and visitors are come in my states and visit their places.
Okay. So have you ever visited in the Mumbai?
Yes, of course. 1 years ago, after before pandemic, I went to Mumbai in stay 1 to 3 months in stay. You know Kurla West East?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know.
No.
In Vidyavihar, there is my college, KJ Somaya.
Okay. In a future, what do you want? What do you become?
I want to become a doctor. That's why I'm doing the EMS.
EMS or BMS?
BEMS. It's a Bachelor of Electrohomeopathic Medicine and Surgery.
Okay, okay. I
I'm a
hope you
med.
become a good figure. I hope you will become a good doctor,
Thank you so much.
and you will join any classes. You will improve your English and making some mistakes.
Okay. I hope I will see. I will join in future if I will get that environment. So I will join.
And how many members in your family?
We are 5 members there in my family.
You told me there are 5 members in my family.
Yeah.
There are 5 members in your family. It is correct sentence.
What? Please say it again. I didn't listen properly.
You tell me in your family member 5 members. I think
Yeah, there are 5 members.
there are 5 members in my family. It is correct sentence.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. There are five members in my family. Okay.
5 members. S last name S.
Yeah. Okay. I told. Okay. There are 5 members in my family.
Yes, that's right
Right.
sentence. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Thank you for correcting me.
And what does your father do?
My father has a doctor.
Which types of doctor?
He is also a BMS doctor.
Okay. Your father is a doctor. You also become a doctor.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
You told
And
me. You tell me about your family.
in my family, there are 7 members in my family. My father is a businessman, and with my brother, he is a businessman. My mother is housewife. I'm a student, MCom. My younger brother's he is preparing NEET exam.
Okay. Great. Thank you.
Mm,
So, do you practice every day?
Yes, I practice every day because 1 to 2 people every day talk to them.
Yeah. Great. So, you
Mm.
talk in English with your friends or not?
Yes, yes. Every day I talk English conversation, not in Hindi language, native language.
Yeah. Great. Great. So,
And
you're
yes, I have joined EnglishStudy.com yesterday. I have taken subscription 1 month. Mm.
okay. So you use Clappingo app for your practice.
Yes, yes. 1 month ago, I have been using Kalipingo for 1 month. Then I moved them. I have taken subscription EnglishStudy.com.
Okay, great. So tell me about that app. Is it good or not?
Which types of app?
Second app,
Uh, both are good. English here is the cheapest way. You will take demo. It is free cost. Or it
do you say
okay.
English Yari? English Yari is the app.
No, English here is site, not an app. English Kelpingo is an app.
Okay.
You will
So
down, you
Tariq,
will download. Wait. You will download Kelpingo in uh, on app, and you
yeah,
will pay ₹1 on. You will take demo Kelpingo. And
okay.
englishcari.com, you will go now on YouTube, on you will go now Google and search englishcari.com, and it is free of cost demo classes.
Okay. I will try if I
You
will.
will you will try both us, not a one. You will try both us. You will
Yeah.
improve now.
Yeah. Thank you so much for advising me. I will definitely try if I will get that
Mm.
environment or time.
But there are your environment, but in my locality there no environment. There are not environment in my city,
Yeah.
in my area.
Okay.
But in your place there are environment.
Environment in my family in area here is no environment, but I practice to myself every day. I
Okay.
talk to myself.
After pandemic, you will go outside. You will talk to colleagues and friends in English language, not a native language.
Okay, yeah, right. So in your college, in your area, means college student, they don't talk in English.
Actually, I did not go to college, but I'm pursuing MCom home. Right now, I'm preparing home, not going to college. Only I will go form fill
Yeah,
up and any work.
everyone is doing online. Yeah, nowadays everyone is working from home. Before that, what about before that?
After pandemic, I will go outside job.
No, I asked you that before that, what you were doing? You were talking in English in your college or not?
Yes.
Means teacher was taking lectures in Hindi or English or
Both
other
us,
language.
both us,
Okay,
both us.
okay. So thank you. Thank you so much.
Do you have any question?
No, that's all about what I asked you.
Okay.
If you
Every day,
want to ask,
every day you will talk to me. I will not. I will give you chance, and I will. Every people talk to me daily basis.
yeah, of course.
You will talk to daily in any people. You will improve English better now, and get well soon. You will fluent English.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, brother. You have given me time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Nice to talk to
Bye.
you.
Bye. Have a nice day. Bye. See you.
Same here.